Alright, so I'm starting the video a little bit late, but this is going to be about how I'm going to make a drill brush attachment on my own rather than paying money to get one. Probably won't be as good as some of the ones you can buy that are made for it, but this was easy to go ahead and put together. So what I did was I bought a palm scrubber brush, and it had this plastic reservoir on it so it can hold soap, and then you can dispense soap while you're cleaning your dishes. So what I did was I just took the little valve assembly out of it, and then took this hammer here and I busted off that soap reservoir because I couldn't get it to come apart just by hand. But the good thing about that is you've got this nice little hole in the middle for where the soap comes out that you can put a 1/4-inch machine screw through. I got a little lock washer as well as a big flat washer and the nut, of course, to hold it all together. And the idea is that we can put this all together and then have a nice spinning attachment for the drill for cleaning. So let's see how this goes. So what we'll do is we'll just take this, we're going to put the lock washer on and then run it through this side. Well, my first problem here is that the 1/4-inch screw is hitting this little lip in there. So I'm going to have to take my drill and drill that out real quick. There, easy enough. Just drilled that little lip out. So this should fit now. Let's see. Perfect. Goes right through. So we'll just go ahead and assemble this guy. And check this out. Just like that, we've got a nice drill attachment that we can use for cleaning. Obviously, one of the cons that you're going to get with one of these as opposed to one that you can buy yourself is that you've got your screw here in the middle. So if you press down too much, you're going to be, running the risk of scratching whatever surface you're scrubbing on. As long as you don't press too hard and you let these bristles do their job, I think this thing will work pretty well. I'm going to check it out on my shower project right now where I'm resealing a bathtub. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, little simple, quick thing. I mean, the scrub brush was like, I think $3.20, and then the hardware was like maybe another, $1 to $2. So you're looking for under about $5. You can make yourself a drill attachment brush. The idea was to emulate something like this wire cut brush here that I had for the drill, which this thing is awesome, but it's a little bit too strong, for, cleaning applications. So I wanted to get something that was a little more suitable for just mild cleaning and something that had a little softer bristle. So here it is finished. It's on the drill, and we've got a nice brush. So this is going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to using this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, everything that people say. But yeah, this project came out pretty neat.